Hi. Now we will observe and learn another important property called ordinal number or multiple matches. Let's see what it means by the multiple matches and ordinal number. In previous session, what we have done, we have unchecked Windows text, right? Now, let me take the same example and come to this application modular, and other than result remaining everything also we have Windows text, right? See this 9, and then another one 5, another one button plus equal. Okay, if it is button 9, every time we are using the button 9 only, let it be no issues. But observe this, when I am unchecking Windows text, what is going to be happen here? First, let me launch that application. Application is launched. When you click on highlight, now it is showing button 9, right? Okay. Now observe this thing. What is happening here? Unchecked Windows text. Okay. Now remaining all the properties is same. Now observe this highlight. What it is showing? More than one matching window found, right? Same thing. Now observe this button 5. Button 5 also unchecked. And now again highlight, same error, right? Button plus again uncheck. Let's go with this 3. Now what is happening? Let's observe. See this button 9, what are the properties we have? Attribute properties: visible, screen visible, enable, class name. Come to button plus, again the same thing: visible, screen visible, enable, class name. Button 5, the same thing, right? It means all these element having the same properties. When you click on highlight, it is showing more than one matching window found. It means previously it was 9 and then 5 plus was there. It is individually it is taking, but now all the properties same. If you observe here, 3, 6, all the buttons, width, length, behavior, properties, everything is same, right? That's why it is showing this error. For example, in any application, you are going to fill first name, last name, and then middle name. All the buttons, sorry, all the text boxes, width, length, property, it will be the same. Let's say you are entering your credit card number. The 4 boxes will be there. First 4 digits in first box, second 4 digits in second box, next 4 in next box, like that. All property, width, length, everything same, right? In those situations, when attribute properties, when the element properties is same for all the attributes, then it will show this error. How to overcome this? To overcome this, we have a option in Blue Prism. We have a option called ordinal. Observe this ordinal. This ordinal, what it will do is, Blue Prism automatically, when the created a element, it will assign some sequence number for matched elements. All these are the matched elements with the same properties, right? So it has assigned 14 for 5. Okay, let's observe for 9. Now I clicked on this, right? Okay, now observe this. If you are having any issue when you are spying with any application, you can use this ordinal, right? Especially when it is coming to multiple matches. Now highlight. See this? Now it's working properly. Again, come to the 9. Let's come to ordinal. See this? For 9, 9 is the ordinal. Let it be. Okay. Now highlight. It's working properly. Come to plus. For the plus, what is the ordinal number? 16. 16 is the ordinal number. Highlight. See this? It's working, right? Now, whenever you are having this kind of error, always remember you need to use ordinal number. Ordinal, you need to check when we're having multiple matches. When you are having multiple matches with the elements in your application. So this is the solution for your error. Thank you.